Thanks for tuning in to IPA Automotive. We want to give a winter update on Project Sonoma. So one of the main things we had to attack was a heater core replacement. There's lots of videos on YouTube showing you how to do a S10 heater core replacement. So I'm going to go through a few pictures we took during the process and cover a few other things that we've replaced, like K&N air filter. Thanks for tuning in. So once we got the dash loose and tilted back, we took it out of the car, and then I had to drill a hole in the heater box to access one of the 3 bolts to hold the heater box inside the truck to the firewall. Then once we got that tilted back, we could replace the old leaky heater core, which is a common problem on these trucks. We also updated the speakers to these 2-way Pioneers by soldering on the factory connectors. Then we had to put the dash back in. While we were doing that, we also replaced the fan resistor, so we got speeds 1 and 2 back, and put a new coolant overflow bottle in. After that, we had to remove the bubbling window tint off the passenger side. It was a lot of work, but it's pretty easy once you got it heated up. Scraped off all the goo. The next thing we did was replace the taillights. The old ones were super foggy and new ones were cheap. So that's our winter update on the Sonoma. That's where we're at right now. We got a lot more work to do, and we'll be picking that up again here soon. Thanks for tuning in.